Well, round of applause, everyone. Sir Hiranmay Biswas. Thank you so much and happy welcome. Yeah, we also have with him his friends. One of the I told to come together along. Sir Solomon Khanwa, please go do receive our honor. Please come along with him. And then Sir Akash Datta accompanying our. So they will also come along. And so, dear friends of this juncture,
Party, we are honored to have you with us today. Now, to formally welcome everyone, I would like to invite Mr. Father Joseph Peron to deliver the welcome speech. Please give him a big round of applause.
First part, Munsi and Princey to commence the march. Blue color symbolizes peace, tranquility, stability, and loyalty. Impeccable discipline and harmony indeed. It is a sight to behold as greenhouse symbolizes nature, renewal, generosity, and fertility. The house is led by the Captain Pan Singh, followed by the Sergeant Officer, Boys Group, and from the Girls Group, Captain Pirvita, followed by Vice Captain Auntie Baby holding the flag.
School anam long tupen karbiara da bela pen bethe dang amulir isolet ke India so sarpan nelina tupen Independence Day kijok India kijok kardom kabira panta chitino kardom ini dak Don Bosco High Secondary School ta no ho ka school pen India yun ay plan ason dak taxi Independence Day leton talon tali dulo kasi lahai ke usmara pan ke khan ki mum lepen ki usmara tum dak pen chali pen nisi mo the ding hote de honest citizens de lepen ke completed citizens di India so jeplang ngi pu songja pe mar dak pen se tenang po pinyani litum India war ki dok dia pan kecedana tu pan aku moda mohot yo ini tu sumara tu manta that kecari that machalok that chinghon nangji aning do nangji kasi ile tum ka duwe ta la penin tum talo pinya ni la da Don Bosco High Secondary School anam bang tu batalang solong la hai se talon talilo ile tum freedom fighters atuma phanda kumodam lo apen ge ile tum mamata ile tum akyam siklam ngi ile tum adeng siklam ngi bisu sumar phan than lo molang mesen lo pinya ni aluhi sar po lage Sri Hiranmay Biswas da bank manager SBI Amtreng branch. Lapen ke paper tum tanang chitong duno lo lang mesen lo. Ni tum pen thek long lo kicheng. Lori ke deng pen ke color party pula scouts and guides tum pen and that ke halada lang ni phan lapen ke rather phan deng that pen ke lama kang tho lama ke salute lapen that ke march past dulo march past that ke India Hawar etum Hawar Farman anam kadompi ahir dir pen alun pen kadompi lo the pen that ya da nami tum thenglong lo da stage along de la kene ka patro long klam ba da lun temo ke ji ka choy din aja